County in north-central Texas, northwestern McLennan County in north-central Texas, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles southwest of Crawford, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Valley Mills around 3:20 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Tuesday evening for eastern Texas. The normal broadcast schedule has been suspended because warning